Hello everyone. Today we will see the topic 11, natural frequency. So overview of the natural frequencies and normal modes of the structural parts in system we are going to cover in this sessions, and the determination of buckling load estimates for such object is also covered. In particular, we illustrate the determination of natural frequencies, corresponding mode shapes and buckling load estimation. So natural frequencies of system are those frequencies at which resonant response occurs under the right excitation conditions. Knowledge of these critical dynamic frequencies is an essential step in the design or the evaluation of a system subjected to dynamic loadings. Static loads too can produce the instabilities given the particular combination of geometry and loading. Buckling of a long slender bar in axial compression is a common example. So we are going to see one problem of the cantilever beam in a practical way on the ANSYS. So open the ANSYS, and now we are going to create the model analysis. So we are going to give the structural steel as a default material for our project. Now we have to create a geometry. So we are going to create a one cantilever beam. Now select the plane, sketch, view and out. First we will set the units. We'll give the dimensions to it. This one is as 20 mm and it is 5 mm. Now we are going to extrude it. Click on sketch, apply, extrude it by 150 mm. Click on generate. Now we have to double click on model setup. Now we will see the material first. It is structural steel. Now we are going to generate the mesh. So default mesh is generated. In the model analysis, there is a number of modes to find. So I am taking 6 number of modes to find. Now we have to insert a fixed support to one of the face. Now we have to just click on solution. In model analysis we cannot insert any kind of loads. Here you can see all the loads and the forces are gray out, because in the model analysis we can just find out the frequencies. So I am going to click on solution, click on solve. Now solution is generated. Now in the graph here you can see the frequency of the 6 modes. So we can see the how much amount of frequency is to be added to each mode. For the first mode it is 183.08 Hertz, and for the second mode 717.6 modes. Now we have to convert this frequency into the deformation, because we have to find the deformation of each and every modes. So for that purpose we have to click on all the frequencies, right click on it and click on create mode shape results. So now here you can see all the 6 deformation results are created. We have to just click on solution and click on solve. Here you can see the deformation of each and every modes. This is for the first mode. This is the second deformation. This is the third, fourth deformation. This one is the last deformation. This is how you can check the frequencies for the cantilever beam.